Hi, and welcome to Blessed in the Country. My name is Diane, and today we're going to be making a chicken cobbler. That's right, a chicken cobbler. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out by melting 1 stick of butter in our oven. So while our oven is preheating, we're going to put this in the oven and let it melt. Alright, so our butter is out of the oven, smelling good. And this is just a quick and easy recipe. So what I have next, since you got your butter in here, is I've got some chicken that I've shredded. That looks good. It smells good. You can use a rotisserie chicken if you want to. But I just put this in my rotisserie pressure cooker and cooked it. This is just 2 chicken breasts. But gosh, it's a lot of chicken. But those were huge chicken breasts. I mean, they were huge. Made a lot of chicken. So we're just going to scatter that down in there just like that. By the way, this is a 9 by 13 dish, just in case I did not say it. Okay. Just very easy. This is so simple, so quick to put together. Then we're going to take some mixed vegetables, whatever you like. I have the carrots, corn, green beans, and peas. Okay, you can just use the green peas and carrots if you like. But I like the idea of having a bigger variety of them. And then all you're going to do is just put those right on top. Do a quick little spread. Nothing to it. Spread it out just like that. That's all you got to do with that. Next, we're going to put some seasoning on. We're going to go in with some salt and some pepper. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of garlic pepper. Garlic seasoning powder. Let me get it right here in a minute. Okay. All right, very good. All right, now we're going to switch out. I'm going to move this to the side because the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 cups of milk. This is whole milk. You can use reduced or the skinny, whatever you want. And then to the 2 cups of milk, we're going to add the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, along with the seasoning pack that comes with it, okay? You give it a quick little neat. Open it up. Put that right in there. Get our seasoning next. Put that over in there just like that. And then we're going to mix this together. I mean, how quick and easy is that? All right. That looks good. It's going to be a little lumpy, but that's okay. Going to have lumps. It's supposed to have lumps. Put this back here so we can see it. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pour this over our, we're not going to stir it. We're just going to pour and let it land where it pleases. Okay? You don't have to do any stirring. I know you want to, but we're not going to stir. So in the same measuring cup that I measured my milk in, I'm going to measure in 2 cups chicken broth. And so of course I have chicken broth because I made my chicken in my rotisserie. And we're going to add that chicken broth to that same bowl. And then to that, we're going to add a can of cream of mushroom because that's what I have. The original recipe used cream of chicken, but I have cream of mushroom. So I'm going to use cream of mushroom. Of course, we know anytime you add flavor or another ingredient, it's just going to enhance it. So I'm not concerned about it. And then we're going to give that a good stir. All right, that's it. Then we're going to pour this on top. I know you're thinking, wow, that's incredibly a lot of liquid. It is, but it's going to be fine. The biscuit mix is going to absorb a lot of this. All right, into the oven, 350 degrees, 45 minutes to an hour. You judge by what you see, okay, and how you like it. I'll be back when it's done. Alrighty, so here is our chicken cobbler, looking absolutely delicious and smelling even better. Oh my goodness. So it has been cooling for a little bit. I'm going to continue to let it cool, but if you can see, just trying to give you a closer look without dumping it all in the floor, but oh my goodness, it looks incredibly good. Now, I did see where some people or some person had put actual shredded cheese on top of their vegetables and then put the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. I wasn't quite that brave, but I mean, there's a thought if it's something you want to try. But this smells absolutely delicious. We're going to cut into this and we're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much. Be blessed. And I'll see you real soon. Mwah.